Hello everybody, how are you? Thank you for coming to this video. Thank you for joining us for this special episode. So in this session, what I want to do and teach you is something very, very important. It's a strategy, a Forex trading strategy, which I call the billionaire strategy. So what this strategy is all about is how to offset risk in your trading. So you will see that this is a very, very powerful strategy. It will help you in your trading. It doesn't matter how you trade, but it will help you to see something very, very powerful, and then that will help you to make money. Because you will see that in trading, there are things you can do that will allow you to offset risk. So basically, we can say this strategy makes you not to lose money. But let me explain further before everybody says this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Let me explain to you what happens in this strategy. So what we're going to be using here, we're going to be using two accounts. Now try to follow me. We're going to be using two accounts. So for example, let me explain. There are two people who are trading Forex. There is Manda here, okay, and there's John here, okay. Two people. There is Manda and John. So how Manda trades? Manda trades like this. Manda is speculating, okay? Manda is speculating in the market. John is also speculating in the market. So what this means is that both Manda and John are coming, they are guessing the next price movement. If they're saying the price will go down, they're entering the same trades, and then they are then putting a stop loss to offset the risk. So what happens on this one? They both have $1,000 in which they are trying to risk, okay? In which they want to start with. Both their accounts have $1,000 accounts. So what happens is that John comes and opens an account with broker 1, okay? Broker 1, okay? This is the broker there, okay? And then guys, for those that are struggling in finding the best broker in which they can trade with, I'll leave the link in the description for the best broker you can trade with, okay? Make sure that you check down our description so that you can find the best broker. So what's going to be happening here? We see that if John makes a bad trade and loses, this amount will be at risk, right? So what Manda does, he saw something which is very, very powerful. Instead of opening one account, what he does, he comes and opens two accounts, broker 1 and another account with broker 2. Okay, so he opens an account with two brokers. Here he funds with $500 and here he funds with $500. But remember, they are both starting with $1,000, both of them. But here he started with 500 and this one started with 500 also. So what happens here is that Manda, he gets what we call a tradable bonus. Gets what we call a tradable bonus. Okay? He gets what we call a tradable bonus of 100%. Okay? Of 100%. So it means here he's going to get another $500. It means he's going to start his account on broker number 1 with $1,000. 500 is the money he deposited. 500 is the bonus amount that he got from the broker, which is tradable. Remember, there are two types of bonuses that you can receive from the broker. You have a tradable bonus and untradable bonus. Basically, what happens is that if you have 1,000, they give you 1,000. If you lose that 1,000 bonus, you have lost everything. So you must get a broker which has a tradable bonus. Are you understanding me? I'll leave the link in the description for a broker that gives you 100% tradable bonus. All right? Make sure of that. So, and then we have Manda is going to be starting with 1,000. So now, Manda has 1,000 on broker number 1 and 500 on broker number 2. Okay? But what happens is that if both these guys trade the very same way, okay? They trade the very same way. Let's do it like this, okay? So this is where we're going to look at their trades, okay? This column is for Manda and this one is for John. If they are trading Euro USD, alright, and here is also trading Euro USD, both of them. So what happens here? So if Manda comes and places a buy on Euro USD and this John comes and places a buy on Euro USD, let's take the market doesn't go up, it goes down, alright? So it means this buy will be on a negative for both of them. Remember, this guy has 2 accounts. So what the strategy, remember, this strategy gives you an edge in the market. Okay? Doesn't matter how you trade. You can trade with any way you want. So this guy, what he does, if he places a buy on broker number 1, he will go and place a sell on broker number 2. So if this account is on a negative, this one will be on a positive. Are you understanding it? Alright? So if this account is profitable, this one will be losing. So if the other one is negative, the other one will be profitable. Are you seeing it? So it means if he ends up losing the money on broker number 1, the money will be made on broker number 2. But this guy, he's losing all the money because he does not have any way of setting the risk. Are you seeing it? Okay? Let me just explain again. Let me take John out of the whole picture so that I can explain to you again. So there are 2 brokers, broker 1 and broker 2. For that, let me just take it out here and then do the very same thing again. So there are 2 brokers, broker 1 and broker number 2. So there are 2, starting with $1,000, 500 deposit here, 500 deposit here. Okay? Get a 100% tradable bonus. Broker number 1 will start at 1,000, this one will start at 500. So what will happen then? So if this one is starting at 1,000, so it means what will happen? You must hedge your positions. Okay? You must what? Hedge your positions. What hedging means, buy and sell at the same time. So if we are trading Euro USD, okay? Trading Euro USD, we are seeing that the market from where it is, it's moving up. We buy broker 1. What we must then do, we go to broker number 2, we sell broker 2. Okay? So what we do here, we must do the opposite here. If we buy here, we must sell there. Altogether. The main objective, your main objective that you want to do, you want to make sure that account number 1 goes to $0. You must lose this account. Altogether, if you are losing here, you are gaining here. Why? Because this tradable bonus that you are given on broker number 1, you are not allowed to withdraw it, but you are allowed to what? To lose it by trading. You are allowed to lose this amount. Altogether? So if you're allowed to lose this amount, if you lose it here, you will be gaining it here. But this broker number 2, they don't know what you are doing. They just see all normal trading. So if you can lose this account in 3 trades or in 3 days, it means in after losing it, after those 3 days or 4 days of trading, your account on broker number 1 will be $500 plus that $1,000. Okay, we can just take out a charge from the spread. Let's take the charge from, okay, just for argument's sake, let's say it's perfect numbers, which means the total is going to be 1,500, or which you're going to be having after you lose everything on broker number 1. So you're going to be having 1,500. Now you started with how much? 1,000. Now you have that 500 on broker number 2. This 500 here, this is 50% of your account. There was no risk. If you lost this account, it's going to be transferred aside, just withdraw it and start over again. Altogether? So this trading strategy, you are able to make 100% of your money without losing, because whatever happens, if you lose this account, it's going to be transferred that side, just withdraw and start over. If you lose here, you are making 50% of your account. Altogether? Now imagine this. Imagine what happens here. Imagine if you can start like this. Imagine if you can get broker number 1, which gives you 250% bonus. Okay? You have on broker number 1, or it gives you 200% bonus. Okay? So if broker number 2, they don't give you any bonus here, so it means on this broker you're going to start with 500, the same 1,000, you're going to start with 500, same 500, plus 200% of this is going to be 1,000. So it means you're going to start the account with 1,500. If you lose this account by trading, it's going to be transferred to this other account. So it means you're going to be having how much total balance? $2,000. So this 1,500 that you got from this bonus transferred to broker number 2 will be your profit. Altogether, you can do this in 10 days, you can do this in 5 days, whatever. The main objective is to lose now. It's not about to make money, because you are making money when you lose, transferring money to the other broker. So this is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. Are you seeing it? I want to show you that this is not the most powerful. I still have another system which is more powerful than this. Are you understanding it? Hence, I've been telling people that I have a strategy which makes 100% profits altogether, because you don't lose anything. Even if you lose, you make a mistake on this account, it's going to be transferred this side. So what you are doing here, you are simply recycling money. It doesn't matter how you buy and sell anymore. The main objective, move this account to this account by trading. You move it by what? By trading. Altogether. So this is a powerful tool. Okay? So if you want further information on how to time these entries and how to carefully do this, make sure that you join our online course. Very, very powerful. Very, very, this is something that you have never seen before, I bet. Powerful systems in which will change your trading career. I know this will make you money. So go out there, kill the market. So I'll see you on the next episode.